Question for Mitsubishi. If the logo appears red here, then why? Why? This has to be silver. Peace. Welcome to another episode of TGM, The Garage Mods. First up, thanks a lot for the support in the first video, and in today's video, we will be changing the front look of the car without replacing any parts. What we will be doing is using the existing parts, modifying them a little bit, and then giving your car a little bit of aggressive look. So how you can do it? Let's get straight into it. So in the dash, logo is red. Why should we leave this one silver? So just like last week we did for the wheels, we are going to change this one to red as well. And I can already see there is so much of chrome, the silver. We're going to change the color for that one as well. And I can already see the lights are a little bit dirty here. So we're going to but clean them a little bit. Plus, last but not the least, this one is a little bit scratchy as well, so we're going to change the color for this too. For the headlights, I'll be using this scratch and swirl remover, and to remove the paint, I'll be using this sandpaper, and for both of these, I'll be using a polisher machine, but just to save some time. And you can do all of that work manually as well if you want. And of course, for the prep work, I'll be using some garbage bags, a paper cutter, masking tape, and for the paint, of course, I'll be using this bright red for the logo in front, VST wheel paint black gloss for the front metal bar, and this Rust-Oleum ultra cover paint and primer black gloss paint for the side mirrors. Step 1, prep work. Never been taken off. Yo. First thing first, health and safety first. I mean, you can take them off as well, but I'm just doing it that way because it's easier. Otherwise, it's going to be all wobbly and you can't even, sand it down. Garbage bags are not just for garbage, so we can make use of them to do such painting DIY projects, and let's show you how. Now you can see the car is all prepped. The garbage bag theory. Let's get started now. The first thing, of course, the etch primer. Oops. So this wind does come with pros and cons. Pro is everything dries quickly. Con, everything flies. Oops, what just happened there? This thing has got all the wrinkles. Apparently this happens when one layer dries up quickly than the other layer. So I have to sand it up again and see if that makes any difference. I will be cleaning this one up with these sugar soap wipes. हवा बहुत चलने लग पड़ी है, so it's very windy. I need to put the garage down. I mean, the garage shutter down. See, this one looks much better now. We're going to use the caliper paint on the logo. Sticks really well. The gloss black wheel paint, I'm gonna use it on the surface. So for the side mirrors, we will be using Rust-Oleum, the one that bonds to plastic. For the headlights, I'll be using this Turtle Wax Scratch and Swirl Remover. So you can already see the difference between the polished one and the other one. So all the things are done. Now we just need to wait. Leave the paint for drying for up to 15 to 20 minutes before we take off all of that garbage bags. After struggling with those side mirrors and removing the garbage bags, this is the final look of the car that we have from the front. So if you like the video, please do subscribe, share it with your friends and post your comments. Thanks a lot for watching TGM. See you next time. Take care. Bye.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama, a mi cama. Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala.